Are you thinking of buying the Foliprime? If you are, watch this video until the end so you don't make the mistake of 99% of the people who buy the Foliprime and regret it bitterly. At the end of the video you will know why. I am Mary and I make the use of the original Foliprime 4 months ago. I buy my kits always by the official website, and I will leave it here below in the description of the video, if you want to buy safely and directly by the manufacturer. The Foliprime is an extremely effective product when used correctly. Really, it puts an end to baldness and recovers almost 90% of lost hair. The Foliprime has 3 phases. In up to 10 days it decreases the fall. You will already start to see significant changes. Up to 30 days of use it already restores the scalp. With about 1 month of use the root already grows stronger and healthier. You already begin to see the increase in the amount of hair. In up to 60 days accelerates growth. In 3 months, you will already see visible results, already recovering the hair you lost and with much less input. But the mistake of 99% of the people who want to buy the Foliprime that I mentioned at the beginning of the video is thinking that they will already have these benefits overnight. First of all, Foliprime really works. But you have to be aware that it is a treatment, and you should use it following the manufacturer's guidelines, as it is on the product packaging. Since it is a natural treatment, it is normal to take a while to start getting results, so keep in mind that you will have to take it every day consistently, not forgetting to take it, and understand that the expressive results will only begin to appear in 2 months of treatment. You can test the Foliprime for 60 days, and if you have no results or if you don't like it for any reason, we will refund your money. That way you're free of risk. For the Foliprime to work you need to take the treatment seriously. You will start to see the initial results in the first month, but people get better results after 3 months of use. The Foliprime has absolutely no side effects, its ingredients are 100% natural, and most importantly, you don't have to worry because it is intended for people of all ages. It is FDA approved and made in a GMP certified facility. If you buy the product is to do the exact treatment and take it seriously so that it really works. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way, but I really recommend that you take the treatment for at least 3 months in order to get better results. The Foliprime is very worth it. And for you who want to buy the Foliprime safely, I left the link of the official website here below in the video description, where you will buy direct from the manufacturer without taking the risk of buying the fake Foliprime and bring harm to your health. I really hope this video has helped you, and if you have any questions you can leave them in a comment below. I'd be happy to help you. Remember, if you want to buy Foliprime, as I said, I will let the official website link down on the video description. Good luck with your treatment. I hope you have a great day.